Imagine waking up to the rich aroma of freshly brewed coffee made the classic way, but with modern convenience. Today, let's take a closer look at the electric coffee percolator stainless steel coffee pot, a blend of tradition, style, and innovation for coffee lovers everywhere. This electric coffee percolator offers a classic way to enjoy rich, flavorful coffee with the convenience of modern features. Designed with an 8-cup capacity, it's perfect for both small households and gatherings. The stainless steel construction provides durability and a sleek look, while the non-drip spout ensures precise pouring without the mess. For those who enjoy a steady flow of freshly brewed coffee, this percolator brings both tradition and practicality together. One of the standout features is its premium build quality. The treated solid wood handle not only looks stylish, but also provides a safe, comfortable grip that stays cool to the touch. In addition, the percolator includes a tough, clear glass brew progress knob. This simple yet useful detail allows coffee lovers to visually monitor the brewing cycle and decide exactly when the flavor has reached their preferred strength. It combines old-fashioned charm with practical usability. Convenience plays a big role in the design. Once brewing is complete, the auto keep warm function activates, maintaining the coffee at an ideal serving temperature. There's also a handy ready-to-serve indicator light, so users know instantly when their coffee is ready. The cordless serve feature adds further flexibility, making it easy to lift and pour directly at the table without tangling with cords. It's an ideal balance of efficiency and ease. Cleaning and maintenance are straightforward as well. The coffee pot comes with a cleaning brush, making it easier to keep the stainless steel interior spotless and ready for the next brew. With its combination of capacity, durability, and thoughtful details, this electric coffee percolator is well suited for those who enjoy both style and performance in their kitchen appliances. It's not just a coffee maker, it's a practical upgrade for everyday coffee rituals. If you're searching for a reliable coffee maker that mixes classic brewing with modern convenience, this percolator is worth considering. Stylish, practical, and easy to use, it makes every cup feel special. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more reviews on products that make life better.